Hello and welcome back to Oscar Jules, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from An Abby Tale by Erin Grobarek, illustrated by Bob Berry, Sesame Workshop, and Warner McGee. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Once upon a time, a little fairy named Abby was looking for her very own fairy tale in fairy tale land. Abby searched high atop a beanstalk. Jack was busy not waking the sleepy chicken. Abby whispered, fee, fi, fo, fum, shush. Harp, do not strum. Abby searched low under a princess mattress. She found a pea. In my tail, I'll find broccoli, said Abby. Yum. At Hansel and Gretel's gingerbread house, Abby heard a strange sound. Hansel wondered if it was his tummy. It came from those bushes, said Abby. Meow. It was Elmo in boots. Have you found my fairy tale? Abby asked. If Abby's tale has a prince, said Elmo, then look over that hill. And there was the prince on Sir Clip-Clop his horse. Rapunzel's long hair is pretty, said Abby, but in my tale, I'll have pigtails. Thought Abby. Lots of fairy tales have a cottage and a wolf. She waved her wand and poof. What a big pumpkin you made, said Big Red Riding Hood. But that wasn't Abby's tale either. The last place to look was the Three Pigs neighborhood. 1, 2, 3 houses, counted Abby. And 1, 2, 3 pigs. No room for me here. Abby's tale wasn't anywhere in fairy tale land. So Abby poofed to Sesame Street, where she looked at all her favorite places and good friends and saw that Abby's very own special story is right here on Sesame Street. The end. And that was An Abby Tale by Erin Grobarek, illustrated by Bob Berry, Sesame Workshop, and Warner McGee. So as always, thank you all a million times over for tuning in, liking, subscribing, sharing, all the above. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.